Connor Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi!
And today we are going to be making pumpkin cheesecake lasagna. This is a layered dessert, just with like cream cheese, whipped cream, pumpkin,
Graham crackers.
yeah, it's just a good dessert. It's perfect for fall time and Thanksgiving or whatever. And it's really easy. It's a no-bake dessert that won't take much time. So it's perfect for your fall parties. If you guys want to see some more fall recipes besides this one, make sure that you check out the videos on our channel. We have a lot of good fall recipes. And also make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video.
We want to thank everyone for 1,000 group members on Facebook. If you want to join this great recipe group, the link is in the description. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Softened. Half a cup of sugar. And you're going to beat this together. Mix this till smooth. We got 1 cup of heavy whipped cream, and we're going to gradually add that to the cream cheese mixture and beat it till it forms peaks. Okay, next you want to put 2 cups of cold milk in a medium-sized bowl and 3 packages, the small packages of vanilla pudding. Halfway through, add your 1 cup of pumpkin, canned pumpkin. And a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And whisk all those together till it's smooth. Okay, so we're going to put a thin layer of the cream cheese mixture in the bottom of a 9x13 pan. So there's that. And then we want to put graham crackers. Then you're going to top with half of the pudding, pumpkin pudding. Okay, and we're going to put another layer of graham crackers and top with the rest of the pudding mixture. And then we're going to put the cream cheese mixture on top. And we're going to top it with some Cool Whip. I'm going to drizzle some caramel on top. Or drizzling's little, I don't know, a little bit to be desired. But anyway, and then, so we're done with it. It says to refrigerate it for about 4 hours before you eat it. That'll get the graham crackers softened up. And then before you eat it, if you like pecans, you could add them to the top too.
Okay guys, we're back and the pumpkin lasagna is done and it turned out great. It looks really good and it was really fast. Didn't take long at all. You don't have to bake it, so it's perfect to make if you're in a hurry. So now we're gonna try it.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I think pecans on top would be good. I just forgot to get them from the store. So it's supposed to set about 4 hours before you eat it, but that would be 3 in the morning, so we can't wait.
If you make this recipe, make sure to let us know and share your pictures with us because we love to see when you make our stuff. And also make sure that you leave a like and a comment telling us what you want us to make next. Now that it's getting kind of into the holiday season, we'll have all kinds of Thanksgiving, Christmas videos coming out soon.
Make sure you check the link to our group and all the social media in the description.
So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.